Hi friends. Welcome to my kitchen. 3 duck breasts, roughly 1.5 pounds. Make a few shallow cuts across the skin. My name is Isabel, I'm happy to see you on my channel. Duck meat has a good balance of protein, iron, and healthy monounsaturated fats. Add salt. Add black pepper. It's not just tasty, duck breast is packed with protein and good fats. Turn it over and re-season with salt and pepper. This recipe is super simple, I'll show you every step. Follow my lead and it'll turn out great. Give it some time to marinate. Rice. Pour in some water, add salt, and let it cook through. Get a nice golden crust on both sides of the duck breast. I'm very curious what city you're watching my video from. Thank you for the comment, like, and subscription. Bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. One carrot. Carrots are packed with vitamins A and K, which support eye health and help boost the immune system. Butter and vegetable oil. Sauté the carrots. carrots are packed with vitamins and great for your eyes. One onion. Onions contain antioxidants and sulfur compounds, improve metabolism and support heart health. Subscribe to the channel. Here, you will always find delicious recipes. Onions can make you cry, but they also boost immunity. Toss the carrots in with the onions. This recipe is incomparable. I highly recommend trying it. One bell pepper. Sweet bell peppers have more vitamin C than an orange does. Bell peppers also contain vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants like beta-carotene, which support eye health and reduce inflammation. Throw in the pepper with the carrots and onions. Please subscribe to my channel. Add salt and black pepper. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. It's the best reward for my work. Stir in the cooked rice. It's a healthy combo that provides fiber, vitamins, and energy. Dill. Dill improves digestion and has a mild sedative effect. Add dill to the rice. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which are great for your skin and immune system. Cherry tomatoes are low in calories but full of nutrients like vitamin A and potassium. Mozzarella cheese balls. Mixed salad. Add salt. Add the balsamic vinegar to the olive oil. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Toss the dressing into the salad. You can find all the ingredients for this recipe in the description below the video. I keep the duck fat because it's great for making sauces and frying. Have you tried my recipes yet? Did you enjoy them? Let me know what you think. Your feedback means a lot. Share this recipe with your friends, you're going to love it. Friends, thank you for watching until the end. It already looks so delicious, I love it. Let me know in the comments if you liked the recipe. See you in the next videos and take care. Enjoy your meal.